On today's menu, I'm going to show you how to make a lemon meringue inspired creme brulee. The custard is packed with a zesty lemon flair, fresh vanilla beans, and topped with my favorite Italian style meringue that's more marshmallowy than a traditional French meringue. This one is a crowd pleaser to say the least, so let's dive into the recipe. Alright, so first up on the prep list is the custard base. So pour the cream into a sauce pot along with the sugar, fresh vanilla beans or vanilla bean paste depending on what you have on hand, and the zest of a lemon. Bring this up to temp just before it starts to simmer. While the sweet cream is heating up on the stove, you're going to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites and give the yolks a really good whisk in a metal bowl. Then you're going to strain the hot cream and slowly whisk it into the egg yolks a little at a time until it's fully incorporated. Finish it with fresh lemon juice and it's ready to be poured into the creme brulee dishes. Now for the ramekin dishes or the bowls I'll be using for the creme brulee, I've actually received a lot of comments on these. I've been using these eggshell colored breakfast bowls that I ordered off of quince.com for all sorts of parfaits, desserts, and sweet treats. They are my absolute new favorite dishes to use as of late. I'll leave links down below in case you want to check them out, and quince.com has loads of other home goods selections to choose from as well, so make sure you go check them out. Once the air bubbles have been torched off the top of the custard, place the custard into a 325-degree Fahrenheit oven. Pour water into the tray until it reaches about halfway up the sides of the dish and cook these for about 45 minutes or so. While you're waiting for that to bake, it's time to whip up the Italian meringue. So pour the water and sugar in a sauce pot and bring it up to about 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you're going to whisk in some acid to the egg whites in the form of lemon juice, vinegar, or cream of tartar, like I'm using here, to help with stabilization, and give it a really good whisk until it's foamy. Slowly pour in the hot syrup while constantly whisking until fully incorporated. Then you're going to whisk until soft peaks for this recipe, since we're looking for a super clean dollop effect. Now that the custard is done baking and the internal temp should read around the 170 degree Fahrenheit mark, remove it from the oven and allow it to slightly cool before putting it in the fridge to set up for about an hour or two. Once the custard has fully set up, you're going to pour a thin layer of caster sugar over the top, torch it until it's a dark golden brown, then give it a good dollop of the meringue. Torch that until it's a really nice dark golden with a little bit of burnt edge here and there. Garnish with a spoonful of the spiced brown butter creme brulee that I made in my previous peach creme brulee video for a traditional lemon meringue pie feel, and this is ready for the table. Creme brulees are a wonderful canvas to be creative with, and the possibilities for new interpretations are basically endless. I hope you guys enjoyed my take on a lemon meringue inspired creme brulee, and if you did, please drop a comment letting me know what your thoughts are on it. Share this video far and wide, give it a like, and I'll see you next time with another one. In the meantime, stay creative in the kitchen. Later, folks.